everyone. I am here again with my two cousins, Brianna and Preston, and we are here today to use these mouth guard thingies. I don't really know what they're called, that stretch your lips out so all you see is your teeth. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing the game Mad Gab, and whoever doesn't guess the correct word or whatever has to try to eat something. So it should be pretty entertaining, so we'll just get on right into it. So we're changing the rules because we realize how difficult this is. So now Preston here only has to get Brianna to guess one phrase in 1 minute, and if he does, then I have to eat something. If he doesn't, then he has to eat something because this is pretty difficult. Ready, set, go.
Eating the unrice. Eating the unrice. Eating the finger.
Single?
Finger. Eating the.
8 ingle. That's all I hear.
Eating the unrice.
I don't have any guesses.
Eating the unrice.
A twinkle in his eye.
Uh-huh.
Oh, she got it! Come on! 45 seconds.
Can you put your teeth together?
Yeah, this is gonna be disgusting. Sorry, how are you watching?
Staying in for the ball. That's good enough.
Why? That's difficult.
Studying astronomy.
Starring bikini. Starring bikini.
Starring? What?
Starring bikini.
Starting? Oh my god.
Starring
String.
bikini.
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 A kitty.
Bikini.
Bikini.
Yeah, starring bikini.
Say it all.
Stirring bikini.
Yeah.
Bikini.
57 seconds.
What is that?
String bikinis.
Oh.
Oh, so you didn't know what you were saying?
No.
Oh.
Did you say stirring or string?
I said string.
Bikini.
Oh.
Dang it, so
Well,
then I lose.
Bikini.
Here's a cat.
Not bad.
Where is it?
Can't get it. Is that a word? Ah, yeah.
You can't look down. Oh,
A lion's claw.
a flying squirrel.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Yeah, that was easy.
Hold your other one up.
Hmm?
Hold this up.
Don't look down. You can't look down. They went both to the side.
A hyena. Booby trap.
Uh-huh.
A booby trap.
Oh, that was easy.
Nope. Nope.
You can't get any. It feels like I'm choking.
Oh.
You sure noodle. Ah.
You Sean Needle.
You sure noodle.
You're sure.
Use your noodle.
Use your needle.
Use your noodle.
Use your noodle.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I'm a good noodle.
There you go.
It's so difficult.
So much carrot.
And you haven't eaten any of it. It's all in your cheeks.
Yeah. Okay. Do you like onion?
Do I know you?
Yeah.
Next.
She can't tired of it.
What?
She can't tired of it. She can't tired of it.
She can't. Something about it.
She can't tired of it.
She can't talk about it?
Sick and tired of it.
Oh, it's sick and tired of it.
I like connected.
Lovely. What? Don't choke.
Why do people like watching?
I don't know. I know it's
Like, yeah, the watching a beat.
with their mouth wide open. Their cheeks wide open. He's pretty successful at this.
Oh no, right.
I guess not. I know he swallowed it. Oh geez, we're gonna have to fast forward this. Ew! It's right.
Heavy section.
Penny.
Heavy section.
British accent.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Henny Duckus.
Penny Duckus.
Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus. Henny Duckus.
Duck hiss.
Duckus.
Duck hiss?
Henny Duckus.
Oh! No! I don't think he likes them.
But you can't
It
like
hurts.
cover your head up the whole time.
It hurts.
Uh-huh.
Why?
Uh.
He's dying over a Frito. Don he hugger Linehan. 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 Don he hugger Linehan.
What?
Don he
Dondi.
no. Don
Nee.
he Don
Not
he
he.
Don he got a hand. Don he
Doggy.
Don he
Don't read.
Don he
Don't be a girly man.
That was a girly man.
Dual process.
Something processed.
Dual process.
Duval.
Dual process. Dual process.
Dual process.
Dual process.
Is process the last word?
No.
Oh gosh.
Dual process. Process.
Crosses?
Process.
Roses?
Roses.
Roses?
Mm-hmm.
12.
12 roses.
Yeah. Up arrow tennis shoes.
A pair of tennis shoes.
Yeah.
Ba-boom! Ha-ha. Ba-boom! Ha-ha.
Okay.
You can. It's impossible. Jeez. Oh.
Okay.
Try one more time.
See, it feels like you're choking when you swallow.
Yeah.
We'll just see how much he drinks.
Okay.
There's a pool down there. That's enough. So that was the Mouthguard Mad Gab eating challenge, I guess we'll probably call it that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below some other videos you want me to do with my cousins or other people. Please share this with the world. Bye!
Bye.
See you.